Let's do this 360 breathing on our back with hamstring and adductor activation. Our hamstrings and our adductors help anchor down our pelvis. So they attach to the bottom part of the pelvis and they kind of pull it down so that it's neutral in space. That helps set our core up for success so that we're not dumping forwards into our pelvis, into an anterior pelvic tilt. Now, an anterior pelvic tilt isn't bad, but we don't want to rest there all the time. So the hamstrings and adductors help support your core. So let's practice just this breathing pattern on our backs. Let's have a little towel roll at our back just above our pelvis. So it's going to be at the low back. This is going to help support us into a neutral position in our low back. And then our legs are going to be at this 90-degree angle at our knees and our hips. So then from there, we're putting a block between our knees. We're going to breathe in, thinking about the air expanding side to side, front and back, and up and down. So we're getting this really good expansion into our rib cage, and some is going down into our abdomen, but not all of it is happening there. We're getting our pelvic floor to descend as we're there, and then we're breathing out and allowing things just to come back to neutral. Now, we're gonna start with a little bit of a squeeze at the legs, at the block. So we're getting the inside of our hips to be working. Think about gathering your legs together. I like this cue because it helps prevent rotation of the legs inward. So we don't want that necessarily. We want this, like drawing together. So you can also feel and make sure, okay, my hips are loose on the outside here. I'm not contracting here. Then you're going to push down a little bit with your heels to activate your hamstrings on the back. Okay, you're making sure you're not clenching your butt as you're here. You're not lifting up overly high. You might get a little bit of a lift as you're there, but that's not the goal. So we have our drawing together, we have our heels digging in, then we're and you can check your muscles here and at the back to make sure they're on. Then you're going to take a breath in with that same breathing pattern. Breathing, expanding side to side, front and back, up and down. And then as I breathe out, just returning to neutral. So I'm breathing in. And breathing out. Okay. So you can practice this daily to help get you set for the day with your adductors, your hamstrings working. You can practice this as something to do before you work out. It's a great thing to help keep ribcage mobility and set you up for success for the day or before you exercise.
If you're a mom looking for step-by-step instructions on how to safely regain and strengthen your core postpartum, check out my 12-week course below. It includes step-by-step instructions and follow-along videos. I'm a mom and a doctor of physical therapy, and I've been helping women do this for over 13 years. And I'm bringing this to you online so that you can do it from home.